Let's get moving. Kids need exercise daily. Kids between the ages of 16 and 17 need an hour of exercise a day, moderate to vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity throughout the week. Benefits of exercise: builds strong bones and muscles, improves cardiorespiratory fitness, control weight, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, prevents heart disease. What can kids do to exercise? Go on walks, bike rides, go on hikes, choose a sport they enjoy doing. Parents should limit TV, video games, computer time. Parents should set a good example by being active themselves. 4 ways to increase physical activity at home. Set a goal, get creative, turn to online resources, make exercise a family priority. Here is a 9-minute exercise video for kids that you can do at home